Every day, people waste time, valuable time, running errands, stuck in traffic, and standing in long queues. Add rising fuel prices, busy schedules, and zero free energy at the end of the day, and what do you get? Burnout. We're here to change that. Introducing Prime Military Tasks. Namibia, your personal errand running concierge service. We handle the small stuff, so you can focus on the big stuff. Grocery shopping? Done. Parcel pickups? Handled. Deliveries? Queues? Early morning errands? We cover it all. Across the entire Windhoek City. A driveresearch.com study shows that the average person spends 44 minutes per grocery trip. Multiply that by multiple trips a week, and you're losing hours of your life just walking aisles and making decisions. Why waste time, fuel, and energy when we can do it faster than an hour? Or it's free. That's our promise. Whether you're a busy professional, overwhelmed parent, or someone who just values their time, we're your go-to team, having the simplest website for booking assistance, designed to be as clear and concise for you. Call us today, follow us on Instagram, and get assisted every time. Prime Military Tasks, saving you time, one errand at a time.